हेलो जी, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yeah, I'm hearing.
जी जी, कुछ महीने कबल हमने एंट्रीज बुलाई थी इस राब्ते से कि जो लोगों ने कोविड में चैरिटी का काम किया है, नॉट जस्ट एनजीओज, पीपल हु हैव कम आउट इन देयर इंडिविजुअल एंड individual and capacities to come out and help people, particularly Muslim people. That is how we because we thought what happens within the Muslim community, हम लोग charity बहुत करते हैं, but we don't acknowledge it. It hardly comes out in the public domain that this amount of charity has been done by a certain Muslim individual or a certain Muslim organization, precisely. So we wanted to kind of handhold each other. We wanted to felicitate each other. We wanted to make a network of people who have worked, who worked during disasters like COVID, और ताकि और आने वाले टाइम में खुदा ना खास्ता जब कोई और ऐसी सिचुएशन आए, हमारे पास एक कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट अवेलेबल होगा जिनके लिए हम अपग्रेडेशन, हैंड होल्डिंग, वो सब करवा सकें. तो इस सब के पीछे नियत वो थी. आई थिंक ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ इम्पार आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू to this webinar where we are felicitating the COVID warriors. Today हमारे पास हमारी जूरी में अहमद सलाउद्दीन साहब थे. He has been actively associated with me in this entire process. सलाउद्दीन साहब और मैंने काफी एंट्रीज रिसीव की. We received more than 50-60 entries, but we shortlisted at a very small number because we wanted a certain amount of clarity on how was the money spent, what were the sources of generating this money, और कि पैसा खर्च हुआ कैसे है. वी डिडंट वांट कि गली का लोकल कोई बंदा है जिसको लोकल एमएलए का इलेक्शन लड़ना है, और मे बी ही इज इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू कोविड चैरिटी एज अ वे ऑफ politicizing his career. So we were extremely careful about those choices. Many people would be disappointed to know the people they had referred, or the people they had nominated did not figure out in the final list because of the same reasons, because we could not get a clarity from their end that where was this money coming from and how was it spent. So I welcome you all on behalf of Impar. uh, we have with us Mr. Salahuddin. Salahuddin sir, could briefly talk about the entire exercise we conducted? Salahuddin sir.
Arshi, good morning. Yeah. So, my colleagues in Empire, मैं आप बता दूं कि ये हमने जो क्या कहते हैं बाकायदा लिस्ट मंगवाई पूरे हिंदुस्तान से, और फिर उसके बाद उसमें बड़ी गहराई से हम लोगों ने छानबीन की, और फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स, फोटोग्राफ्स, सपोर्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स, या फिर एडिशनल प्रूफ, या किसी के और के जरिए जो हमारी बातें जानकारी में आए, उन सबको इस्तेमाल करते हुए ये हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट किए हैं. 9 है शायद, अर्शी हैं
11 हैं,
11 है. और ये मतलब हिंदुस्तान के चारों कोनों से हैं, हमने इनको सेलेक्ट किया है. वो अर्शी अभी आप नाम पढ़ देंगी, और अगर आप कोई कुछ जानकारी हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो वो भी हम बता देंगे कि किस वजह से हमने उनको सेलेक्ट किया है. तो अर्शी, फिर हम लोग शुरुआत करें.
जी जी बिल्कुल. मेरी कलीग इफ्रा हमारे साथ हैं. इफ्रा, could you read out the names accordingly? Let's go to the first name. Ifra has collaborated with me on this project. Ifra is also a program manager with Impar. So I welcome Ifra to call out the names and read read a couple of sentences about the organizations and the kind of work they have been doing.
Thank you so much, Arshi ma'am, for this opportunity. And so I would like to take over from here. And a very good morning to all of you. So the first name goes like it. The first was Red Crescent Society of India. Mr. Arshad Siddiqui, in association with other organizations, launched an Operation Jeevan Sangharsh with an aim to distribute rations to the needy in Mumbai and suburbs. The distribution was done in coordination with other NGOs, social activities, activists, political organization as per the government norms with proper safety and sanitization. The distribution was started with 10,000 kits, and they were distributed in different parts of Mumbai. They were Goregaon, they were Malad, they were like a lot of places. And later on, with a aim to amplify in larger amounts, the Red Crescent Society of India started the phase 1, and then they jumped to phase 2 very soon. The operation team distributed ration kits, and the main purpose of the operation was to distribute ration to poor and needy people in many parts of Mumbai city, like Kalyan and Palghar. The ration kits were sent to southern and central Mumbai. So I would like to thank Mr. Arshad Siddiqui for his efforts and for coming up and for helping the poor in the needy times.
Do we have Mr. Arshad Siddiqui with us here? Mr. Arshad Siddiqui, do we have somebody from the Red Crescent Society? Okay, Ifra, we have Khalid sir has just joined us. I would want to stop you here and ask, I would request Khalid sir to briefly introduce the entire program. And Khalid sir is my senior and at Impar, he's the executive director at Impar. I would request Khalid sir to briefly speak about the entire exercise of felicitating the COVID heroes.
Thank you, Arshi. And Janab Salahuddin Ahmed Saab, who is also our steering committee member. I'm sorry for joining late. In fact, I was traveling yesterday evening, so I came very late in the night. We admire the work of the various organizations and persons during the COVID-19 pandemic time. It was a very hard time and people were really in distress, and a lot of organizations and people came out of their comfort and they realized the need for the community and did a lot of good humanitarian work. Impar realizes the need to facilitate the work of the people who have really contributed in helping the people, and the program was named Helping Hand. In order to facilitate the good work, Impar formed a committee under the chairmanship of Salahuddin Ahmed Saab, and the invitations were, applications were invited from the people, and all the applications were submitted to the committee. And there was a proper protocol for shortlisting of the applications, and based on that, not a very large number of people has been sorted out or recommended for giving this award, because there were certain conditions and certain parameters to be fulfilled, which are people who, though there were many applications, about 100 applications, but since so many conditions were there and those criteria were not fulfilled, so those selected for this prestigious award, Helping Hands Award by Impar, is given to the people who have done, or the organizations who have done very good work during this COVID-19 pandemic. I welcome everybody who are receiving this award today. Thank you very much, Arshi, for giving me the opportunity to speak. And if anybody is not there to take the award, I will be receiving the award on their behalf, and I will be sending it back to them at a later stage. Thank you, Arshi. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, Khalid sir, we request you to accept the certificate on behalf of Mr. Arshad Siddiqui from the Red Crescent Society of India, based in Mumbai. Ifra, you may move on to the second name.
Next, we have AR Welfare Foundation, which is based in Rajasthan and Jaipur. Mr. AR Khan, who is a retired IAS officer, besides its regular activities in the field of education and health sectors, he came up to help the poor and target group families, and also performed as per the needs and requirement of people in COVID-19 pandemic, and that too without any financial help from government of Rajasthan or government of India. The area of operation were the slum areas of Jaipur and Jodhpur cities. He distributed a lot of beneficiaries, distribution of dry food commodities, distribution of sanitary pads, other articles, etc. He came up with financial help and also service volunteers. Here, the volunteers have trust an official of district administration, Jaipur, versus that is Tehsildar, enforcement of staff, and policemen helped us without any charges in the distribution of food packets. So I would like to thank Mr. A.R. Khan for his services and for being a great help for the people who really needed him at that point of time. Thank
We
you,
have
Mr.
with
A.R.
us
Khan.
Mr. A.R. Khan. We would request Mr. A.R. Khan to speak for a couple of minutes about the entire journey of being a Masiha in these COVID times.
Very much for the recognition of the work of ARWF. I'm really grateful. As a matter of fact, I had a big privileged position because while working in the field, I faced so many droughts and famines in the field as a district collector, and that too, most of the time, I used to attract the donors and to me and help me in the floods, droughts, in the form of fodder, in the form of food. So after my retirement, I took over this work to we don't take any government help either from government of India or from government of Rajasthan. This is the special feature of our this thing. My friends, my colleagues across the religion and caste, they help me in all these works. Now it was because of my age, it was not possible for me to get out myself. So the volunteers who are without any charges, who has added in this ARWF, those people and my old senior people, they were of great help, and I will be grateful to the district collector Jaipur. He was always sending some tahsildars and some these people because they have got, so that there could be no hubbub in the field, and systematically these things are distributed to those people. I am grateful to IMPAR again for this thing, and we will continue to add ourselves with the IMPAR activities. And I have been very closely watching the posts on IMPAR, and I am really, I acknowledge that probably for the first time in the country, a organization like IMPAR has come up to address the various difficulties, various problems, and the progress and reforms in the community. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We look forward to working with you in future in close collaboration. Ifra, you may move on to the third name.
Now we have Helping Hand Foundation, which is a nationwide NGO operating in a health sector and is another organization that has provided towards awareness campaigns and emergency assistance in the wake of COVID-19 crisis. A dedicated team of 100 volunteers, including several ambulance drivers, nurses, paramedics, counselors, and patient caregivers, are working on a daily basis to reach out to areas where food and medical attention are urgently needed. So I would like to thank Mr. Mujtaba Hassan Askari for his services and for being a Masiha to all those people at a time of crisis. Thank you, Mr. Mujtaba Hassan Askari.
Do we have Mr. Mujtaba with us? Okay, I think he has not been able to join. So I request Khalid Saab to accept the certificate on behalf of Mr. Mujtaba.
I am honored to take this award on behalf of Mr. Mujtaba, and I also congratulate him for his work.
Okay, so let's move on.
Now, next we have Jamaat-e-Islami Hind, which was officially formed in 1948 at a meeting in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. It follows the policy of promoting education, social service, and ecumenical outreach to the community, and has involved itself in various humanitarian and relief efforts across many parts of India. Recently, the Islamic group has released a report of their relief work, which has been going in 22 states since the enforcement of the crippling lockdown. According to the report, the JIH has provided relief to 8,38,417 people across the country, and at a cost of around rupees 10 crores and much more. I would like to thank Jamaat-e-Islami Hind organization on behalf of Impar, and thank you so much for helping the needy at the time of crisis.
We have a representative from Jamaat-e-Islami Hind with us, Mr. Mushtaba. Mr. Mushtaba, can you hear me?
Mustafa Farooq Saab.
But he just texted me he's here. Can you hear me, sir? Maybe the connection got disconnected. Jamaat Islam, Muazzam Saab, आप जमात से हैं?
I am from Jamaat NGO called Human Welfare Foundation. It's a separate
जी
NGO, so I am from
जी
that.
सर,
trust.
आपको मुश्तबा साहब ने आपका नाम दिया है कि आप
Okay.
उनके behalf पे रिसीव करेंगे. जी सर.
Okay, ठीक है.
जी सर.
I would just brief about Jamaat Islami. You are already briefed about it. Jamaat also runs quite a number of NGOs. We have a premier NGO called Human Welfare Foundation, and then Society for Bright Future. Through Human Welfare Foundation, we have distributed 158,600 food kits throughout the country. This was especially for the migrant laborers, those who were there on the streets. We also distributed cooked food in the slums in various cities. We distributed ration kits to 45,998 people. These ration kits were dropped at their doorsteps through our volunteer network. Then we also connected government ration supplies. There was the ration shop, we connected to them, and we demanded that this ration shop should be open. That was around 10,000 plus families. Then recently, during the COVID time, we donated one ICU unit, complete ICU unit to one hospital called ICRA International Hospital at Calicut, Cochin. We also donated PP kits to SDMs of DMs of Delhi and some local police stations in Delhi area. Around 10,000 plus PPE kits we have distributed to various government agencies because they were the front end volunteers, they were the front end workers. So we distributed PPE kits to them. We also distributed a lot of masks, maybe around 13,000 plus, 24 gallons of sanitizer, then gloves and sanitizing bottles. We have been working with various government disaster management authorities in Assam. We worked with Assam District Relief Authority, and they've been given the appreciation certificate in Assam. We also worked with the Meerut Circle Meerut medical officer. So in various cities, we worked with a lot of government officers and government officials, collaborated with them in the COVID relief. This is through the Human Welfare Foundation and Society for Bright Future. These are the two trusts which we do operate for the COVID. This is apart from what we do in the medical, in health, in education, in other field. We are based in Delhi. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for joining us. Ifra?
Now, next we have Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind from Bangalore, who has been tirelessly providing food and rations to all sections of the society. However, its volunteers met with stiff resistance in Dalit colonies. They were forced to go back in one particular area, but the brave hearts did not lose heart and came back to the same locality under police escort to give away food packets to the distraught and hungry people. I would like to thank Jamaat Ulamain from Bangalore for their effortless services and for being there at time of crisis. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I don't think we have anybody from there, so I would request Khalid sir again to accept the certificate on their behalf. They had a conference, they had their official conference, and they were busy for the entire week, so they couldn't send a representative. Sir, okay. Move on, Ifra. Ifra next.
Okay. Now the next we have is the volunteer of Tamil Nadu, Munnetra Kazhagam, also abbreviated as TMMK, is a Muslim non-government organization headed by Mr. Jawahirullah and has performed the last rites of about 139 dead bodies belonging to different religion from March to till June 2020. The funeral rites have been conducted based on their religion. Apart from them, there was 81B orphan people who died due to virus. The volunteers are actively involved in rescue and relief operation. I would like to thank TMMK organization for their services.
Do we have a representative from TMMK? Okay, we move on to the next one.
Next, we have Dr. Taha Mateen. He's a founder trustee of HPS Hospital, who started the Mercy Angel program in March. A group of volunteers are at the forefront of ensuring the dignified funerals for those patients who have died due to virus in Bangalore. Thank you so much, Dr. Taha Mateen, for your services and for being a messiah at those times.
Dr. Taha Mateen has been down with some illness. He wrote to me thanking Impar for the opportunity. He has expressed a lot of happiness that his services were acknowledged and felicitated. So I accept the certificate on behalf of Dr. Taha Mateen.
Now, next we have Shiba Aslam Fahmi ma'am. Shiba ma'am has been associated with Impar for a longer period of time, and she has been a very good example for all the women out there. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your services you have provided at those times, and thank you so much, ma'am, for being, for being example for all the women and for being example of women empowerment. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ifra, and thank you, Impar, for this acknowledgement. Of course, this encourages us all to perform better whenever there is a need and whenever there is a crisis in the society. It all started in a very, unorganized way, but it went on and on and on. And I'm glad that people came along and they guided us. They informed us about the needy people also, and we could respond to that. Thank you so much, Impar, for this acknowledgement.
I would want to add here that Shiba ma'am's work started in the aftermath of Delhi riots, and it just got stretched on to pandemic, and it's continuing till now. There have been instances when we have personally referred people to Shiba ma'am, and there has not been a single case of disappointment. Thank you, Shiba ma'am, for rendering your services in such a helpful way.
Thank you so much.
Now we have Shaista Akhtar ma'am, who is also a very good example of women empowerment, who is setting out examples for all the women out there, and who has been always in association with Impar. And in also, ma'am, we see your services in future as well. And thank you so much, ma'am, for providing your services at those times when we really need you and when people out there really needed you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Is she here?
Actually, she was busy with some work, so she said that she would try to join, but I guess she's unable to make it.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Now we have Safa Baitul Mal in Hyderabad. Is a prominent educational, welfare and charitable trust and has intensified its activities to help those suffering due to COVID-19 crisis. They are delivering ration kits to the homes of the deserving. Thank you so much, Safa Baitul Mal, for your services.
Okay, next.
Next, we have Sajjad Khan, who is an individual, and he himself has arranged independent COVID burials in Kashmir. I would like Arshi Api to introduce further about Sajjad Khan.
We have with Mr. Sajjad is with us. I can see him on screen.
Yeah,
Sajjad Saab, could you just take up and speak about your work? And arranging a burial is a very dignified work, and also it's also very daunting to arrange a burial. So could you just, especially in a place like Kashmir, it's not very easy to arrange a COVID burial. So we would want you to speak a bit about your journey. How did you manage it? How did you manage the funds for the burial, the conveyance for the burials, and so far how many burials have you conducted? We would want to hear a little more about it.
actually, I started with, I saw the doctors are facing the starting in the COVID. The doctors are facing, they don't have a PP kits. So I was having a machine. So I thought, why should I'm not starting this? तो मैंने वो machine start की और मैंने PP बनाना start किया. And I distributed free of cost to those doctors who are seeing the COVID patients. क्योंकि उस टाइम पे पीपी किट न मार्केट में अवेलेबल थे ही नहीं. तो एक बार मैं एक जगह से जा रहा था तो मैंने कोविड डेथ एक देखी. तो मैंने देखा जो भी लोग आसपास के थे वो फोटोग्राफ उठाने में मस्त थे, मगर कोई ये नहीं जाता था आगे जाने के लिए तैयार था. तो मैं उनके रिलेटिव्स के पास गया. मैंने बोला आपके पास पीपीज है, इसको आप जो भी ब्यूरियल करना है ऑनर्ड कीजिए. तो आई वेंट टू माई स्टोर. वहां पे मेरे कुछ पीपी किट थे और मैंने उनको दे दिए. मगर मीनवाइल जो ही लाश आई तो उसके रिलेटिव्स भाग गए. तो मैंने देखा नोबडी वाज देयर उसको मतलब उठाने के लिए. एक दो आदमी थे और उन्होंने जैसे तैसे उठाए. फिर ये चीज ना मुझे हर्ट हो गई. तो मैंने सोचा इसकी जगह हम भी हो सकते हैं, because nobody gave the guarantee who is safe from this COVID. So मैंने अपने साथ इनिशिएट लिया. I have on my page अथवास means एक दूसरे का हाथ मिलाना. तो it is a personal block. तो मैंने इनिशिएट लिया. मैंने उस पे मैसेज डाली जिसको भी जरूरत हो कोविड डेथ को वो मुझे कॉल कर सकता है. एंड ये वीडियो इतना वायरल हो गया. नेक्स्ट डे आई गॉट द कॉल. तो आई डोंट नो कि क्या करना है क्योंकि आई वाज नॉट यूज्ड टू डू. मगर मैंने सोचा कि मैं जाऊंगा. फ्रेंड एक दो मेरे साथ ये थे चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स. मैंने उठा के हम गए. हमारे पास पीपीज तो ऑलरेडी थे, हमने पीपी लगाया. मगर जब हमने ग्राउंड सिचुएशन देखी वो वर्स्ट से वर्स्ट थी. क्योंकि जो कोविड डेथ होते हैं इनके साथ इतना डिसऑनर होता था जो हमारे को झंझोड़ दिया उसने. मगर हमने कॉफन उठाया, उसमें दफनाया. एंड वी वर्क जस्ट लाइक ए लेबर्स. मगर हमने सोचा ये ऊपर वाले के लिए हम कर रहे हैं. हमने ये नहीं देखा हिंदू कौन है, मुस्लिम कौन है, सिख कौन है, अमीर कौन है, गरीब कौन है. एंड वी डिड इट. एंड ये सिलसिला चलता गया. रोज फोन आते गए और ये कारवां आगे बढ़ता चला गया. अभी तक हमने 53 कोविड डेथ हमने ब्यूरियल किए और ऑनर्डली. और अवेयरनेस भी मैं चलाता हूँ. जो ही हम मकबरे पे होते हैं मैं उधर भी बोलता हूँ देखिए जी इससे इन्फेक्शन होता नहीं है. अगर होता तो सबसे पहले हम पॉजिटिव होते. हमारे से ये सिलसिला चला रहे हैं. मगर जो ये सोशल स्टिग्मा है मेरी वजह से या ऊपर वाले की वजह से थोड़ा थोड़ा ये ब्रेकडाउन होता गया. मगर समवेयर ऐसा भी है इस कोविड को दूर दफनाया जाता है. सोशल स्टिग्मा अभी भी लोगों में है. तो हमें चाहिए अवेयरनेस ये न प्रोग्राम चलाने चाहिए. और मैं गवर्नमेंट को भी अपील करता हूँ कि गवर्नमेंट अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम होने चाहिए क्योंकि लोगों को पता चले कि ये कोविड जो डेथ है इससे फैलता नहीं है. जो हमें प्रिकॉशन लेनी है वो तो लेनी ही है, मगर उसके साथ जो भी मरने वाला होता है बहुत ही डिसऑनर उसके साथ हो जाता है. तो आई स्टार्टेड. और जो फंड्स रेज होते हैं ये मेरा स्टोर आप ये न मेरे न पीछे है. आई डिडंट टेक ए सिंगल पेनी फ्रॉम एनीवन. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह कोविड में जो भी मैंने इधर ये से कमाया वो मैंने उसमें लगाया, क्योंकि ये मैंने सोचा ये बादल है, आज न कल तो जड़ जाएंगे, मगर ये मौका रोज रोज आने वाला नहीं है कि हम एक दूसरे का साथ दें। ये चीज थी छोटी सी स्टोरी।
शुक्रिया सज्जाद साहब, हम आपके जज्बे को सलाम करते हैं और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि हम सब लोग अपना रिएक्शन में वी कैन क्लैप फॉर आवर कोविड वॉरियर्स, सिंस वी कांट क्लैप physically, but through our
It's
reactions
okay.
we can appreciate the services our COVID warriors have provided to us. We can all do it together and record it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ji, Ifra, do we have anyone else left?
No, Arshi.
Okay. May I request Salahuddin Saab to chip in here and say a couple of words after listening to the stories from our COVID warriors. Ji.
Thank you, Arshi. I must say, it was very inspiring, and the selection process itself moved me very much in deciding upon the people who are really deserving of what they've done to help their fellow human beings. I do hope we don't have to do this again, but it's by way of encouraging others that to come forward and to help people who are in need, the destitute, the ill, the poor, and people in need of in need of a burial. Most in a way a sacred duty upon everybody else, burial or a cremation. And I also hope that people will again come forward in times of a calamity, in times of need. Similarly, we look forward to be with you, to help you in whatever we can. Thank you very much.
So, इंशाल्लाह आगे दोबारा मिलेंगे और आगे दोबारा हम लोग मुश्किलें आती रहेंगी और हाथ साथ में थामकर मुश्किलों का सामना करते रहेंगे। आज के सेशन से हमें ये समझ आया है, आप जो हमारे कोविड वॉरियर्स हैं इनकी सर्टिफिकेट्स यहाँ पे ड्रॉप बॉक्स में है, आप लोग डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। ऑल्टरनेटली अगर नहीं हो सके आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, मैं आपकी सर्टिफिकेट्स आपको मेल कर दूंगी। मैं इस पॉइंट पे अपनी कलीग इंजिला खान को रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, नहीं हमारे साथ सैयद रिजवान साहब हैं जो हमारे एक और कलीग हैं, मैं इनको रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि वो इस पूरी कोविड सिचुएशन के बारे में और जो कोविड वॉरियर्स का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है उसके बारे में हमें चंद अल्फाज में अपनी राय बयान करें और साथ ही साथ वोट ऑफ थैंक्स भी प्रेजेंट करें। रिजवान साहब, आपकी माइक बंद है। रिजवान साहब, रिजवान साहब, कैन यू प्लीज अनम्यूट?
जी बताइए, फरमाइए।
जी सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, आप कुछ अल्फाज में इस पूरे सिलसिले के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहें और साथ ही साथ एक वोट ऑफ थैंक्स और एक वोट ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन टू आवर कोविड वॉरियर्स प्रेजेंट कर दें।
1 मिनट रुक जाएं जरा, मैं अपना वो ले आऊं, ये फोन। आप फिलहाल
पर आपकी आवाज आ रही है, आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छे से आ रही है।
मुशर्रफ साहब कर सकते हैं। मुशर्रफ साहब
कर लेते हैं, या अहमद अली साहब भी हमारे साथ हैं, वो भी
मुशर्रफ साहब कर देंगे।
तो आज ये जो पूरे देश से जो चुने गए हैं, इसमें जो हमारे जो कोविड-19 के मसीहा के तौर पर जो चुना गया, तो ये बहुत बड़ा काम है, क्योंकि ये एक हौसला देता है उन लोगों को जो आगे कर रहे हैं और आगे भी करेंगे। और हम लोग इस तरह का प्रोग्राम करके जो है उनकी हौसला अफजाई करके एक तरह से जो है पूरे देश के अंदर मुल्क में जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनको एक राह दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे। और मैं सभी लोगों का जो है जो इन्होंने जिसमें शामिल हुआ और जिस मेहनत से इस पूरे उसको इतने ज्यादा लोगों के बीच में से छांट कर लाए, तो मैं इसका जो है, जो इसके जिन्होंने इस काम को किया, मैं उन सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और बहुत ज्यादा जो है उनका जो है हौसला अफजाई करना चाहूंगा। और ये प्रोग्राम जो है लगातार हमारा चलते रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो मुसीबत है, ये जो परेशानी है, ये बहुत सी शक्ल में और भी आगे आने वाली है। तो मैं सभी का, जिन्होंने इसमें शामिल हुए, ये लिया, जो पार्टिसिपेट किया और जिन्होंने इसको तैयार किया, उन सभी का, और जो लोग जिन्हें ये सम्मान दिया गया, मैं उन्हीं सबको जो है बधाई देता हूँ, मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। शुक्रिया।
जी रिजवान साहब।
जी, दरअसल मैंने थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन करा, किसी और जगह में था, तो ये मेरे ख्याल से ये प्रोग्राम हुआ है टू ऑनर द COVID-19 heroes. So can I have a little small brief of what has took place till now?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. जी अर्शी जी बताइए, क्या हुआ है अब तक, किन लोगों को ऑनर किया गया है?
जी, हमारी लिस्ट में 11 लोग थे जिनको हमने ऑनर किया. These were the people who have done excellent work during COVID. We received more than 70 entries, but we shortlisted 11 depending on the kind of and the quantum of work they have done. I would request you to place a vote of thanks to our esteemed guests.
Okay. I would first of all congratulate all of those people, all of those heroes who have been awarded, and I wish them success and best of luck in the future also, and hope they continue to do the good work which they have done till now. And along with this, I would like to thank the honored guest for taking part in this webinar. We are all thankful to him to have spared the time to come and address us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank
Arshi.
you all for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arshi. Thank you very much.
Khalid sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Salahuddin sir, for being the part of the jury and being so committed to the entire process.
Thank you to everyone. All the best
Thank
to
you.
everyone.
Thank you, Sajjad sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
सभी
Thank
का
you.
शुक्रिया।